Hi, you guys. So I'm doing a recorded video today instead of a class just because we haven't had a lot of people attending class. And I have some additional videos that I'd like for you to watch in lieu of class today. And I'm trying not to give you more work than you would already have being in class. So I thought I would just be really concise with a short video for today. Do note that we will meet via Zoom on Tuesday of next week, and Thursday of next week is our last class. And on Thursday, our last class, our final assignment is due. And the final assignment is the visual rhetoric essay, which I kind of went over in class on Tuesday, but I wanted to just revisit it again. Important things to remember. So this prompt, it says spring 2019, but it's 2020. You select the image, the music video, the commercial, whatever it is that you want to analyze. And then you just need to hit all of these points right here. This is not a research assignment, okay? This is an analysis, and it's a rhetoric analysis, a visual rhetoric analysis. So I've already provided you with instructional videos on the, looking at the visual elements like color and contrast, and content, object representation. Last class we talked about ethos, pathos, and logos. And so if you have any questions on that, you can watch the first videos and the video from last class on ethos, pathos, and logos. Logical fallacies, which we haven't talked about in too much detail yet, are covered in the content for today that you'll see on D2L. So there's this video, and then there is the written content about logical fallacies, and then there are the 3 videos on logical fallacies. My expectations when you do the rhetorical analysis are you're really looking at those 5 aspects of the rhetorical situation: author, audience, purpose, context, and thesis, right? How you come to what the thesis is based on the visual elements and the information given in the picture, the commercial, or whatever you've picked. It's really important to know where the thing comes from. So do not just Google, and I said this last class, do not just Google visual rhetoric examples. Pick out a meme that came on Facebook, or a BuzzFeed video, or a commercial, or something that you've seen. And then you do the analysis. I have read probably 600 of these, so I have seen a lot of recurring commercials and what have you come up. I would really like for you to pick something new that I haven't seen before and that you came across in the wild. So the essay is 500 to 1,000 words. It's our final assignment. You can go through and look at the rubric of how I'll be grading you. But ultimately, this is looking at how effective is the author in persuading the audience to buy the product, or if it's a music video, to make the audience feel a certain emotion to go along with the music. Or, like we said last class with this image right here from Robert Crumb from 1977, TV is, pretty much watching TV is the equivalent of having your brain sucked out. And how do I come to that conclusion? Well, I would analyze how all the visual elements add together, and that's that logos appeal. So I wanted to just quickly show you what you will need to do before Tuesday's class in terms of content. And I don't have it on here yet, actually. Let me pull it up. I apologize. I was going to put this image into the class materials folder. So this is what you're going to be looking at when you go into the news item, which is where you're finding this video right now. But this is the written out content of logical fallacies, flawed logic, right? And then you can go through, click on the links that I've given you, and then watch these 3 videos as they will appear in the news feed. We will continue our discussion of logical fallacies on Tuesday, but it's my expectation that you're to watch these videos between now and Tuesday and start writing your visual rhetoric analysis. Again, the analysis is due on Thursday, our last day of class, by midnight. So you have plenty of time, and I'm hoping to get your comparison essays graded. Not hoping, I will get them graded over the weekend so you get feedback. I'm a little backed up on grading everything and doing all of the rough drafts, looking at those instead of you guys doing peer evaluation and whatnot. It's put a lot more on my plate in terms of feedback, but I'm doing my best, and I will be getting that feedback to you by Sunday, if not Monday at the latest. So if you have any questions about the topic or what you want to analyze, or after you look at the logical fallacies videos and look at the other visual rhetoric videos that I've created and assigned to you, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I will do my best to get back to you. So thank you guys so much. And again, instead of class today, I have this recorded video and the other associated videos for you to watch. Thank you very much.